Oh! Oh my God! That's bad. That's really bad.
Copy, multiple vehicles. We're blocking 2 lanes. Engine 22, smoke from the compact. Hit it quick. All right, hold here until they clear us.
Traffic flowing. Hold up brakes. Creaking down with a series of loud reaction. Stop it. We're clear.
Sirens wail as police cruisers.
Stay put.
Whoa! That's a hit. And another one. Jeez.
Are they okay?
Police are already here. Look at that.
Ambulance too. That was fast.
Braking.
These sirens, tires.
Stay back! Stay back!
Plant fills up, doors clatter.
Stay back. Keep lanes blocked.
Passenger side looks bad. I'll grab the kit.
Copy. Medics inbound.
Look out! That was bad. Troopers coming in hot, and there's the ambulance.
I'm staying clear of it.
Keep it rolling, clearing the right lane. Ease on through.
Copy, letting them go one by one.
Paramedics are inside with the driver. Keep that lane open.
10-4.
All right, come on through, slow and steady.
Stretcher coming in.
1, 2, 3, up. Oh, easy. We got you. Easy.
Securing straps. Driver, hold right there, please.
Crew dispatch unit 14 on scene. 2 vehicles, heavy damage, lanes blocked. Copy 14. Toes inbound. Setting a hard closure. Hold traffic. Paramedics moving to the sedan now.